Turning your engine 32V20A engine turn. Engine is turning good. Compressor here is good, no damage, no broken. Same as well the alternator here, very nice, very good, no damage. Everything from this side is good. Diesel pump from this side also look good. On top, didn't see any damages, very nice, very good. And the turbo from this side also look good. Socket on top, very nice, no damage, no broken. Turbo, I didn't see any damages from outside. Same as well the EGR pipe here, very nice, very good. Down here the oil sump, the starter very nice, and the gearbox look good, and the engine is turning good.